Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show how to get single name on Facebook profile. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook Lite apps. If you want to using your official applications, you can't use, you have to download these Facebook Lite apps. After that, you will can change this name. So firstly, you have to go to the menu bar. Then here you will see the setting and privacy options. Here then you have to tap on again settings option. Then this page will be shown. Here you will see the account center. You have to tap on the personal details option. Then they will show this page, and here you will see the profile option. Here you will see the two options. Here you will see two options. First one is Facebook and second one is Instagram, but you have to tap on the Facebook. Here you will see the name and username option. Just click on the name option. After that, here you will see the two box. So just wait for a few seconds. I just click on my name option. Okay, fine. Then you can see the three box, and first one is first names and middle name and the last name. So I just remove my first name. So then after that, here you need to input a space. After that, you have to remove your last name. Then I just input my name which I want to add on my profile. Don't skip this video, otherwise you can't change your Facebook profile name. So you can see the review change. You have to tap on this. After clicking on this option, they will show that it can't be possible to change to single name. So I have one trick, then show how I add single name on my Facebook profile. So in this way, in the same way, you have to remove your both name, first name, middle name and last name also, but in this moment you have to connect with India VPN. If you are outside from India, then you have to connect VPN and the set location on Mumbai. So then you can see that I just write my middle name and last name also in the same name. Don't enter different name, you have to input one name. Just carefully do it, don't do wrong. After that, you have to tap on the review change option. Here you will see the two options. First one is two name and second one name is single name. So you have to tap on the single name. So I just select my single name. Then here you will see the two options, and first is save changes option. So for changing your Facebook profile name and convert to single name, you have to tap on the changes options. After clicking, I am just back to my Facebook timeline, and I need to just refresh this page. So you need to refresh this page, then your name will be changed. In this way you can, it's very easy tricks. In this way you can change your Facebook profile name into single name. So if you have any question, write on comments box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.